Welcome to the Wessex AT110 self-powered ATV pasture topper, manufactured in the UK and distributed globally by Wessex International. Designed and built to meet the needs of the private estate owner, smallholder or horse owner who requires a simple yet reliable pasture topper within the constraints of a limited budget, the Wessex AT110 will fit the bill perfectly. Powered by a 12.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, and with a single heavy-duty blade giving a 1.1 metre cut, the AT110 will make light work of general pasture topping and knocking out clumps of nettles and thistles in the horse paddock. The popular 12.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine is a reliable recoil start engine, and the throttle lever clips onto the rack of the ATV within reach of the operator for convenience. As the engine revs are increased, the centrifugal clutch introduces drive to the blade, and the AT110 is ready for action. The drawbar can be attached in various positions, allowing the machine to cut in line behind the ATV or offset to either side. This is ideal for cutting close up under bushes, etc. The machine comes complete with a simple lifting device, which allows the operator to lift one side of the machine clear of the ground, leaving both hands free to simply locate the wheel bracket in one of a series of locating holes and secure with a pin. For general estate maintenance and paddock topping, etc., the AT110 is the first choice for the operator who's requiring a simple, easy to use machine which performs well in a variety of applications. With its large one-piece blade, which has a generous amount of momentum in work, it is surprising the amount of grass the AT110 can handle. However, for very long grass, dense vegetation and brambles, etc., we recommend the Wessex AF series flail mowers. As with all Wessex ATV equipment, the AT110 pasture topper is available through the nationwide dealer network. For further information about the AT110 or to locate your nearest dealer, please visit the dealer locator section on our website or call our sales office on 01264 345 870.